Hi everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2016 BMW X4 xDrive28i. This vehicle for sale comes in a black exterior, with a two-tone brown and black interior. Sunroof. Come around to the back of the vehicle next. See our BMW and X4 badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Take a look at our rear seats here. And quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. Now let's check out the driver's side. Driver door controls here, driver seat controls with memory seats, driver seat, steering wheel, and hopping inside we do have a push button ignition. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 88,303. And let's see, here we have our display system. Alright, and backup camera. And radio. And navigation. Below that we have climate controls, including heated seats, and our shifter. And if you're interested in getting more information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.